afternoon.
Afternoon.
Afternoon, teacher.
Good afternoon. Good
How are you today? How are you?
I'm fine.
So our subject for today is science. And our topic is about impact of new substances. Scientists are constantly making new and improved materials. Materials be made such as that are lighter, stronger, and or durable. For example, is duralumin is an improved metal that is used for the construction of aeroplanes. Duralumin is made out of aluminum, copper, manganese, and magnesium. This mixture of metals forms an alloy, in this case duralumin, that is much stronger than any of the individual metals. So scientists mix different kinds of metals to make a new improved metal. So duralumin. So this is the metal they use for making airplanes or aeroplanes. Rubber. So there are many different kinds of materials that scientists mix to improve it. One of this is rubber. Who wants to read this one? Okay, Nana.
Mixing different substances together is a good way of creating new substance.
Okay. Next sentence.
Me.
Okay, yes, Adam.
For example, rubber is mixed with sulfur and carbon to make it more durable.
Okay, very good. Next.
Me.
Okay, yes, read.
This way, rubber used to make car tires will not wear out too quickly.
Another one is plastic. Who wants to read this one? You can read.
Plastic can be considered to be relatively new materials.
Very good. Next.
Plastics are made from crude oil. They are light, cheap, and durable.
Durable, yes. Next.
Before plastic were made, many items were made out of metal and gas.
Very good. Thank you, Now. So this is crude oil. So plastic were made from crude oil. Plastics are one of the most commonly used materials in modern society. Take a look around you. What items are made of plastic? So look around you. Can you tell me things or objects that are made of plastic? Give at least one.
A pen.
A pen. Yes.
My Apple Pencil.
Okay. What else? Things or objects made of plastic.
Tables.
Okay, some tables are made of plastic, yes?
TV.
TV. Part of the TV is made of plastic. Okay. Next, new substances created by man have opened up many new possibilities. For example, before plastic were invented, most cutlery such as forks and spoons were made out of metal or wood. These were not cheap, and crafting them into cutlery was time consuming. With the invention of plastic, disposable spoons and forks could be produced. This is because plastic spoons and forks are cheap and quick to make. The availability of cheap disposable cutlery has now helped to popularize take-away food. Okay, here are some examples of plastic spoons and forks. Where do we usually see these plastic spoons and forks?
A food court.
Especially for those takeaway food. What other plastics we use can you name? Okay, we also have plastic glass or cups. We also have plate, metal. What is metal?
Metal is the thing that's silver.
Who wants to read the first sentence?
The creation of new metals that are extremely durable and heat resistant has enabled scientists to make spacecrafts that can explore our universe from outside the Earth.
Okay, thank you. Next sentence, please.
Without these new metal space explosions would not be possible.
Thank you so much.
I'm pretty lazy.
So these are examples of new metals used to make aircraft that can go outside the Earth to perform space explorations. Okay, now let's go with selecting substances that are safe for living things and the environment. Ah, who wants to read this one?
Um, Things that we use in our daily lives are made from substances that are specially selected for their respective purpose.
Okay, so things that we use in our daily lives are made from substances that are specially selected for their respective purposes. I look at the picture. What can you notice with the picture? Or what can you see in the picture?
Kid eating food.
Okay, a kid eating food. So, what material or substance did they use? Where did they put the food? What kind of
Plastic.
material? Okay, plastic. Very good. The picture shows a toddler eating. The eating utensils used by the toddler is made of plastic. Do you know why is it made of plastic? Why do they
Mm,
use plastic for the kid or the toddler?
They use plastic because it have
it's good.
colorful
It's
And
and
colorful. Okay.
because
when
it's
it
stronger,
drop,
stronger.
when it drop
Strong.
is won't broke
Okay. What if they use metal?
Uh,
because
the
that's
kid
not
sometimes
colorful and when they
There.
watch it will go crumpy. I don't know what is that called.
maybe kids accidentally bent their teeth with spoons?
Okay. Why they didn't use uh, glass glass
But
bowl?
it's
That's
like
maybe
It will
broke
broken.
be
when
ouchy when you eat.
yeah.
Okay. Next. So we do not use glass to make eating utensils for toddlers. Okay. The reason is
A toddler is not able to handle his or her things properly. If the bowl was made of glass, it would break when dropped. Sharp broken pieces might cut and injure the toddler.
okay. Thank you.
Plastic bowls do not break easily. This makes them much safer for the toddler.
Toddler. Okay. Thank you so much. Here's another picture. What can you see in the picture?
Pan.
The
A pan.
crispy thing on the pan.
Okay. A pan made of what?
Iron,
Okay.
maybe
Iron
metal.
and
Iron.
A pan made of iron or metal. Iron is seldom used to make cooking utensils. Do you know what the brown substance is? Okay, if you look at the picture, you can see a brown substance. What do you think is it?
Oh,
Explanation.
it's rust.
Ah, okay, rust. Very good. So, who wants to read this one?
The brown substance is rust. Rust
Okay.
is a toxic
What?
and should not
Not.
be eaten. Iron rusts easily and the formation of rust is sped up by water and salt found in the food.
Okay. Here. Instead of iron, stainless steel can be used to make cooking utensils. Stainless steel does not rust easily. It is shiny, durable, and can last for many years. So if you go to your kitchen, most of our kitchen utensils used for cooking is made out of stainless steel. Ah, next sentence. Who wants to read?
Um,
Me.
Okay.
Plastic bags are often used at to hold items bought in supermarkets.
Okay. Thank you so much. Next sentence. Supawit, you want to read? I think Supawit will read. Ready? The plastic bags.
The plastic bag made it
Easier.
easier for customers
Okay.
to carry home the item. They, they have bought
What? Okay. Very good. Next sentence. Oh, this one is easy. Wanna read it? Who wants to read? Okay. Plastic bags are cheap and durable. However, once brought home, they are often thrown away. What happened to these plastic bags? Okay. So what happened to these plastic bags if we uh, Don't use it anymore. It will become garbage. Here. So this is a garbage of plastics. Millions of plastic bags are thrown away every day, and these plastic bags end up in a landfill. So this is an example of a landfill where they throw, or where humans throw all the garbages they collected in an area. They cannot be incinerated. Incinerated means burned, because burning plastic releases toxic gases. When buried in landfills, most plastics do not break down. They are non-biodegradable, so they can remain there for hundreds of years. It is hard for plastic to break down. Okay? So when using plastic, we can adopt the 3 R's. What are the 3 R's?
Reduce, reuse, recycle.
Okay, reduce,
Reduce,
reuse,
recycle,
and
reuse,
recycle. Very good. So
recycle.
how can we reduce plastic? Can you give me a way to reduce plastic? Anyone? Okay, here. Who wants to read? Wants to read this one? Yes, Aya.
Me? Wait. So I need to read. Um,
ต้องใจ are you here? Can you read this one?
Yeah,
Okay, can
we
you read?
can reduce the quantity of plastic waste by bringing our own bag to the supermarket.
Okay, so when you go to the supermarket, bring your own bags. Do you bring your own bags when you go there?
No.
No. We can use, what do you call this one? Bag made of cloth, or we can also bring uh, plastic bags that we have at home. Next, we have reuse. We can reuse the plastic containers we get from food stalls to store things such as stationery and sewing items. Do you do this one?
Nope.
No. It's like containers for milk, like that, or any other containers. We use them or in a different way, that is reuse. Next, we have to recycle. What do you mean by recycle? Okay, yes.
Use scratch and smash it and being a new thing.
Okay, thank you so much. Very good. So we break down this object and turn it into new item. So we should dispose of plastic that can be recycled at the recycling point. These plastics will be collected and melted down to make new items. So example is the plastic bottles that we use for drinking. They bring those to recycling point and they can turn it into a pail or a tub we use, and they can sell. Okay, so a more environmentally friendly material for making bags would be paper. Have you seen a paper bag or paper made out of a bag made out of paper? Have you seen one? Yes
Yes.
or no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, thank you.
Yes.
So, paper bag is biodegradable. When buried in landfill, it can be broken down, or it can be broken by bacteria and other organisms. However, it is unlikely that paper bags will replace plastic bags. This is because plastic bags are much cheaper to produce than paper bags. Plastic bags are also better carriers as they are more flexible and less prone to breakage as compared to paper bag. So if we compare plastic and paper bag, plastic bags are more durable. If it gets wet, you can still use. But if it's a paper bag and it gets wet, it might break or tear apart. It is important that we choose the substances used for making objects wisely. If the object is used for storing food, the substance chosen to make the object should not be poisonous or spoil easily. If the object is meant for short-term storage or usage, the substance chosen should be biodegradable. So that's all for my PowerPoint and our topic for today. Do you have any questions?
No, it's
No.
too easy.
No? Okay. So how about the others? Do you have any question?
What? No,
No,
I'm understand.
thank you.
Okay, for your homework. So
Thank you.
on an A4 paper about the 3 R's. Okay? Explain what is reduce, reuse, recycle, and give an example. Only that. You understand? Do you understand?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So that's all for today, and I'll see you again next time. Goodbye.
Bye bye.
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 Bye. Bye.
Goodbye.